Okay, go ahead.
Alright, so biggest snowfall these dogs have ever seen. Kelly thinks it's fabulous. Merlin and Trina are stuck. Go get her!
Like I can't move.
Go on, you gotta go bounce through it. You gotta go bounce through it. Good pummeling snow.
Good girl, Trina.
Good girl, Tree. I know, it's pretty deep, huh? Good girl. They're just gonna clear a patch and roll around in it. What's it say?
20 inches right there.
Wow, that's without drifting. 20 inches. We get to go out and do the driveway now. We don't have roads. There's the neighborhood. No roads. Roar, lions roaring. No bushes for them to run through. Poor Treen. We'll clear you a spot, Treen. We will. Alright, hands are a little chilly. Need to go in and get the gloves. Go puppers! Go snow dogs! You tell him, Treen. You tell him! She's stuck. He says, I can't move. Oh, she's lying down. Good girl, Treen. You get him. You get him. For someone, Callie, she likes that.
Alright, he's over.